Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off Yahoo Mail notifications in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if you want to stay updated on important emails, or if you'd rather silence alerts when you need a break from constant pings. If this tutorial helps you, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Mail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to manage, because the notification settings you change will apply to that account. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon. This is usually in the top corner of the screen, and it's where Yahoo Mail keeps account and settings options. Tap the profile icon to open the menu. From there, find and tap notifications. This is the section where you can control whether Yahoo Mail sends you alerts for new messages and other activity. Depending on your device and app version, the layout may look slightly different, but the notifications option should still be easy to find. Now you'll see the notification controls. If you want Yahoo Mail alerts turned on, switch the notification setting to on. If you want to stop receiving those alerts, switch it to off. That's the main setting you need, and it only takes a second to change. You can turn notifications on when you want to stay connected, and turn them off when you want fewer interruptions. If your phone also has its own notification permissions for the Yahoo Mail app, it's a good idea to make sure those match your preference too. For example, if Yahoo Mail is set to on inside the app, but your device is blocking notifications, you may still not receive alerts. So if something doesn't seem to work right away, check your device notification settings as well. Once you've chosen on or off, you can simply go back out of the menu and your changes should be saved automatically. There's no complicated setup and no extra steps required. And that's it. You now know how to turn on and off Yahoo Mail notifications quickly and easily. Whether you want to stay on top of incoming emails or keep things quiet for a while, you can control it anytime in the Yahoo Mail app. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.